Every growing enterprise reaches a point where managing assets becomes increasingly complex. Assets multiply, records scatter, and operational visibility slowly begins to disappear. The visible work happens on site, but successful onboarding always begins with trusted data. Poor data creates duplicate assets, missing ownership, and costly operational confusion later. Every asset needs identity, ownership, location, and lifecycle to deliver real operational value. Asset onboarding isn't inventory collection, it's building a reliable operational foundation for growth. Every successful enterprise follows 3 simple steps: prepare, digitize, and verify. Clean the data, remove duplicates, standardize records, and establish one trusted source. Create unique digital identities and connect every asset with meaningful operational information. Verify every asset physically, ensuring digital records accurately reflect real-world operations. Small onboarding shortcuts today often become expensive maintenance and compliance challenges tomorrow. Trusted asset data empowers maintenance, compliance, audits, and smarter operational decision-making every day. One trusted asset register creates visibility across every facility, department, and operational workflow. Trusted assets, smarter operations. Start with Inflewz.